Ever wondered what makes a YouTube video successful? It's a puzzle that many have tried to solve, the secret formula for YouTube success. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to break it down, sharing expert insights and invaluable tips. From understanding the YouTube algorithm to mastering SEO, the power of consistency, and the art of audience engagement, we've got it all covered. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube success? First, we need to understand the YouTube algorithm. Think of the YouTube algorithm as a matchmaker. Its job is to pair viewers with videos they'll love and keep them watching for as long as possible. It's like a perpetually busy Cupid, shooting arrows of video suggestions in hopes of sparking a love affair between the viewer and the content. But how does this digital Cupid decide which videos to recommend? Well, it's a complex process that involves several key factors. Let's break it down. Firstly, the YouTube algorithm prioritizes watch time over mere views. This means it values how long viewers stay engaged with a video, not just the number of times they click on it. If your video keeps viewers hooked from start to finish, it's more likely to be recommended to others. Secondly, engagement is crucial. The algorithm loves it when viewers interact with a video. This can be through likes, shares, comments, or even adding it to a playlist. The more engagement a video generates, the higher it climbs in the algorithm's esteem, increasing its chances of being recommended. Lastly, relevancy is key. The algorithm takes into account the viewer's past watch history, search queries, and even geographic location to recommend videos. It's like a personal assistant, constantly learning and adapting to the viewer's preferences to serve up the most relevant content. But it's not just about the viewer. The algorithm also takes into account the creator's behavior. Regularly uploading videos, keeping a consistent theme, and using relevant keywords in your video's title, tags, and description can all help your content shine in the eyes of our digital Cupid. Remember, the YouTube algorithm isn't some heartless machine. It's a tool designed to create a win-win situation where viewers discover content they love and creators get their content seen by those who'll appreciate it most. So, the YouTube algorithm is the gatekeeper to success, but how do we impress it? Let's delve into that in the next scene. Next, we have to master the art of SEO. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is SEO? Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a technique used to increase a website's visibility on search engines. But how does this relate to YouTube, you might ask? Well, YouTube is, in fact, the second largest search engine in the world, right after Google. So, mastering SEO is pivotal to your YouTube success. Think of SEO as the secret sauce that can help your videos stand out in the vast ocean of content on YouTube. It's all about making your videos more discoverable, more clickable, and ultimately, more watchable. So how do we do this? First, let's talk about video titles. Your video title is the first thing viewers see, so it needs to be compelling and keyword-rich. When crafting your title, think about what your audience might type into the search bar to find your video. This is where keyword research comes in handy. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube Search Suggest feature to find popular keywords in your niche. Next, we move on to video descriptions. This is your chance to provide more context about your video and include additional keywords. A pro tip here is to include a brief, 1 to 2 sentence summary at the beginning of your description. This part is often displayed in search results, so make it count. Now let's talk tags. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use relevant keywords and phrases that accurately represent your content. But remember, don't overdo it. Less is more when it comes to tags. And last but not least, thumbnails. While not directly related to SEO, thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting clicks. Make sure your thumbnails are high quality, visually appealing, and accurately represent your video content. Remember, SEO is not just about keywords, it's about understanding your audience's needs and providing value. So, take the time to optimize your videos and you'll be well on your way to YouTube success. Now, let's talk about the power of consistency. Imagine this. You've discovered a new TV series. You're captivated by the first episode, eagerly waiting for the next. But instead of releasing every week, the next episode comes out after a month. Frustrating, isn't it? This is exactly how your YouTube audience feels when your content schedule is inconsistent. Consistency is the cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel. It's a key factor in viewer engagement and subscriber growth. It's about setting expectations and delivering on them every single time. Imagine YouTube as a bustling marketplace, with millions of stalls vying for the attention of passers-by. To stand out, you need to have a regular presence. That's where consistency comes in. By maintaining a regular posting schedule, you're telling your audience, "Hey, I'm here and I've got something new for you." But hold on, consistency isn't just about churning out content for the sake of it, it's about delivering value with each video. It's about maintaining a standard of quality, so your audience knows they can expect something worthwhile each time they tune into your channel. So how can you ensure consistency? It starts with planning and scheduling. Have a content calendar. Know what you're going to post and when. This not only helps you stay organized, but it also allows you to space out your content to ensure you're not overwhelming your audience or leaving them in a content drought. Remember, consistency doesn't mean you have to post every day. It's about finding a schedule that works for you and sticking to it. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, or every other day, what matters is that you're regular and reliable. In the end, it's about building a relationship with your audience. You're not just a content creator, you're a storyteller, an entertainer, an educator. And like any good relationship, consistency is key. Consistency is key, but it's not just about quantity, it's also about quality. Let's not forget about the importance of engaging with your audience. Now, why is this so important? Well, think about it. When you engage with your viewers, you're not just talking at them, you're talking with them. It's a conversation. And in any conversation, both parties need to feel heard and understood. So, how can you encourage engagement? First off, don't shy away from asking for it. Encourage your viewers to comment, like, and share your videos. Make a point of requesting feedback. Ask them questions, stir up a discussion. You might be surprised at how willing your viewers are to engage when prompted, but remember, it's not enough to just ask for engagement. You must also respond. Take the time to read through your comments. Respond to them. Thank them for their input. Even if the comment is negative, take it as an opportunity for growth. Another great way to foster engagement is through community. Building a community around your channel can be incredibly powerful. It gives your viewers a sense of belonging, a connection to you beyond just the content you produce. Hosting live chats, Q&A sessions, or even virtual meet and greets can help cultivate this sense of community. The power of engagement doesn't stop there. Viewer feedback can serve as a fantastic source of inspiration for your content. Your viewers can provide you with fresh ideas, perspectives, and insights that you might not have thought of on your own. They can help you understand what's working, what's not, and what they'd like to see more of. In essence, engaging with your audience isn't just about boosting your views or your subscriber count. It's about creating a dialogue, building a community, and fostering a relationship with your viewers. It's about understanding that your viewers are not just numbers on a screen, but people with thoughts, opinions, and emotions. So engage, listen, learn, grow. Because at the end of the day, engagement is a two-way street. It's not just about getting views, it's about building relationships. So what's the secret formula for YouTube success, you may ask? Well, let's take a moment to recap what we've uncovered today. At the heart of it all is the YouTube algorithm. This complex beast is always learning, always evolving, and it's our job to keep pace. By understanding how it works, we can create content that not only resonates with our audience, but also with the algorithm itself. Next, we delved into the world of SEO. Keywords, descriptions, tags, oh my. These aren't just arbitrary elements, they're vital tools we can use to make sure our content is easily discoverable, not only on YouTube, but on the wider web as well. But what's a great video without consistency? Consistency is key in building trust with your audience and the algorithm. It's not just about posting regularly, it's about maintaining a steady stream of quality content. Finally, we cannot forget the importance of engaging with our audience. Your viewers are more than just numbers, they're a community. Engage with them, listen to them, and let their feedback guide your content. So there you have it, the secret formula for YouTube success. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with these expert tips and insights, you're well on your way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert tips and insights. Until next time.